The Fairfax County Department of Transportation is working to improve the Seven Corners intersection and nearby roads to enhance bicycle, pedestrian, and transit access while improving traffic flow. Based on the technical analysis of future transportation conditions and feedback received from residents and stakeholders during the previous rounds of public outreach held over the last 2 years, FCDOT is recommending the changes be implemented in 4 construction phases that include a ring road on the west side of the interchange between Route 50 and Route 7, the continuation of the ring road between Route 7 and Route 50, followed by the realignment of this main intersection, and finally the completion of the ring road from Route 50 to the intersection of Wilson Boulevard and Roosevelt Boulevard. FCDOT will present information about these recommendations at 2 virtual public meetings on Wednesday, November 9th at 12 noon and Thursday, November 10th at 7 p.m. At those meetings, we want to hear from residents, business owners, commuters, and other stakeholders about any concerns or questions you may have with the recommended phasing of these transportation improvements for Seven Corners. Please join the meetings using the information provided on the FCDOT website. Thank you.